Hi, I'm Annabelle and I study physics at the University of Edinburgh and I'm part of the Applied Sciences Summer Internship.
Hi, I'm Nikhil. I study electronics at Cambridge and I'm part of the Electronic Systems Internship.
Our project is on dynamic radio frequency metasurfaces.
For those of you who don't know, metasurfaces are surfaces that interact with electromagnetic radiation differently to what you normally see in natural materials.
Instead of telling you what we've been up to this summer, we're going to show you.
Whilst the project has been quite challenging, we've had a lot of help from our supervisors and everyone in the electronics team has really helped us get through the project.
We've both really enjoyed our time at PA and especially getting to know the other interns, and it's been great to find out what life at a tech consultancy company is like. Thanks for watching.